See why customers like FastMaint and use it for years. Run it off the cloud or install it locally. Great if you do not have good internet access. A lightweight solution with better performance than many others. It's intuitive and easy to learn. Your maintenance team will actually use it. It's affordable with many features that will cost you extra with others. Setup is quick and easy. See how FastMaint can help you on each step in the funnel. Import your existing equipment, spare parts, maintenance tasks and more from comma-delimited files that most other software can export to. Ever missed maintenance jobs because you lost track of them? FastMaint makes it easy to do schedule breakdown and preventive maintenance. Reduce data entry and work errors with maintenance task templates for breakdown or preventive maintenance work orders. FastMaint can schedule work orders from these tasks even years in advance. Have FastMaint create scheduled work orders and automatically email them to maintenance personnel or print them out using the planning report. Keep track of all scheduled work orders, unplanned and planned. Past due incomplete work is shown in red. Update work orders with parts and supplies used. Stock quantities get updated as work orders are done. Know how much it cost and when to reorder. Frustrated by calls for work requests and missed work? Get work requests by email or online. Convert to work orders. Send work request updates to requesters. A variety of reports. Most can be customized to your needs with our WYSIWYG editor. What are you waiting for? Try out FastMaint today and see for yourself. Start reducing equipment downtime and maintenance costs.